Good morning, everyone. So, today we're going to be doing our Tales Toolkit. Let's have a look at who's in there today. So, as you can see, we have our Tales Toolkit bag and we have our character. We can talk about who's in here, find out what their name is, what do they like, what's their favourite food, or who's their favourite friend. If they're being a good friend or a bad friend, and what the story's about. So, this is our character. Have a think about the characters that you know. Next in our story is our setting. Where is our story based? Is it in a house, in a garden, on the beach, in a forest? My favourites in castles. Where are your favourite stories based? The next is a problem. Oh no! What happens to our character? What is the problem that we need to fix? What's going to happen to them? And finally, we have our solution. How is our story going to end? Can they find a solution to their problem? What can they do? Who can help? Can they help themselves? Let's have a look at our story today. Our character today is Mr. Lemon. Mr. Lemon, his hair, can you see he has 2 eyes, 2 ears, some hair at the top of his head, and a mouth. But look at his mouth. It looks sad. He looks unhappy. Can you think why Mr. Lemon would be unhappy? Our story is set in Mr. Lemon's bath. So here's his bath in his house. So we have a very sad Mr. Lemon, and our story is set in the bath. But there's a problem. Look what we have here. It's ice, and it's very, very cold. And slowly it's melting. Can you see? And it's wet. When I touch it. And we have a solution. What story can we make with a lemon, a bath, so Mr. Lemon, a bath and some ice? And our solution, we have a mug. Look, and look who's on our mug. There's Spider-Man and Iron Man and all of the Avengers and Thor and the Hulk and Captain America. And inside we have a liquid, looks like water. I thought of a story. One day, Mr. Lemon was in his house. He was feeling a little bit sad and was thinking of all the things he could do to make him feel happy again. Mr. Lemon liked going for long walks outside, but it was very cold, so he didn't want to walk in the cold today. Mr. Lemon likes going to see his friends, but he can't go and see his friends or play in the park today because he has to stay at home. It's lockdown and we can't go out as much as we would like to. And he's feeling very sad because he cannot go to nursery today and play with his friends. But Mr. Lemon remembered he likes having a bath. Mr. Lemon thought, I could have a bath and that would cheer me up. Mr. Lemon went to run the water in the bath to cheer him up. But there was a problem. Oh no, his his bath was full of ice and the water was so cold. Oh, it's too cold for me. Oh dear. What can Mr. Lemon do? Let's put him in here, in his bath. We put the ice in the bath. Oh no, look, the cold ice water. And look at his face. He's very unhappy. Oh dear. But along comes a solution. His friends, Iron Thor and Iron Man and Spider-Man and Captain America and Hulk give him a phone call. Ring, 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 ring. Mr. Lemon jumps out of the bath and answers the phone. Hello, this is Mr. Lemon. His friends, the Avengers, say, Mr. Lemon, we heard you have a very cold bath and we have an idea. What's your idea? What's your solution? Our solution is to add hot water to your very cold bath and this will melt the ice. That's a great idea. So Mr. Lemon goes downstairs and he gets some water. And the water, he touches the water and the water is nice and warm. Mr. Lemon goes back upstairs with his water and he pours his warm water into the bath. What's happening to the ice? Look, the ice has melted. It's gone. Mr. Lemon is having a nice warm bath and it's making him, and look what's happening to his face. Let's have a look. The water is melting away his sad face. Look, it worked. The warm water is making Mr. Lemon feel happy again. And there he is in the bath and slowly he gets a happy smile. Can you see? There's half a smile. Oh, look. And as he gets out and he dries himself, his smile comes back. There it is. He's very happy now. What can you do at home that makes you feel happy when you're feeling sad? Just like Mr. Lemon. That's our character. He was feeling sad in his house and so he decided to have a bath. But there was ice in his bath and it was too cold. His friends gave him a call and gave him an idea for a solution: to put hot water in his bath. Mr. Lemon put the hot water in his bath and his frown went away and now he's smiling and he's feeling very relaxed and happy at home. Have a think about what stories you can make with objects you can find around your house. Think about the different things that make you feel happy. Bye.